Welcome guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I thought I'd recreate this look inspired by the beautiful Taylor Swift. She had this look going on her latest video, You Need to Come Down. She looks beautiful and the aesthetics of the video are just breathtaking. Yeah, so I decided to recreate my version of her look. I want to quickly remind you guys about the giveaway that I've got going on here on my channel. If you enter, you get a chance to win a ring light, so perfect for your YouTube videos, makeup, photos. So I'll link the video down below where I explained the rules to enter, and yeah. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so for this look I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to prime my lids with the MAC Paint Pot, Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I don't like this MAC primer. I'm gonna switch and apply a little bit of my LA Girl Pro Concealer and just blend that in. Alright, so to create this beautiful look that Taylor Swift has, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette. I'm gonna go straight in with this shadow here because it's kind of like the same tone that she has. I'm gonna start by just pressing that color right on the crease area. Just pressing. Focusing right here in the outer corner. And then just bringing that all in. Until I have the intensity that I want. That when you work with color, it's better to start by pressing in the shades and then blend. Also, I did not set the concealer. I'm going to blend in the first shade with this green here. I'm going to go in with this brush first. So I'm just going to start and blend that first shade we applied. Okay. I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to go in with this brush here from Sigma, which is the E38 Diffused Crease Brush. I'm going to pick that same shade I was using, which is called Ziggy. And now I am just going to blend further. And that's just depositing more green on the crease area and above the crease area. Now what I want to do is just grab this brush here, and I think I'm going to dip into this shade, which is Ziggy, and I'm going to press that all over the lid area. Let's do the lower lash line, shall we? I'm going to stick to that first shade, Ziggy, and just go over the lower lash line with this. Now, okay, before I continue with the lower lash line, I'm gonna do a small wing using a gel liner. I'm also taking that same pencil and I'm just gonna run it along the lower lash line. I am going to take that same pencil brush I used. I'm just going to blend that liner just so that it looks more softened. For lashes, I'm going to go in with these lashes from Morphe. These are called MelRose Avenue. And I'm going to first apply a thin layer of mascara, just a thin layer. Alright, lashes are on. Now I'm just running a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. Alright, I'm just going to do my face real quick. I am just going to do my regular routine. Alright guys, so I've completed the base and I went more towards a bronzier look. I just found that for my skin tone, something more bronzy will go better with this eye makeup look. So, alright, so the last thing to do is lips, and she has a beautiful red lip. I love red lipstick. So I'm going to first line my lips with this NYX Suede matte lip liner in the color Foiled again. Alright, I'm going to go in with this old ColourPop lipstick. I've had this for I don't know how long, and I think I'm almost done, and I'm so sad. I love this color so much, but oh no, I think I have some. So guys, if you want your lips to last, you really have to go in with a lip, line your lips first. And that, guys, completes this look inspired by the beautiful Taylor Swift. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, take care, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.